Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, in our last class, in our last session, we have seen about how to frame the multiplication table of any number by using another two tables. Suppose if you want to frame the table of 10, then how can you use the another two numbers, means multiplication table of how can you take the table of 7 and table of 5? From this table, how can you make the table of 12 that we have learned? After that, I have given example for multiplication table of 13, 14 and 15. Now today it's turn for the properties of multiplication. So let's see what it want to say. So first property is the commutative property of multiplication. Now children, first of all let me tell you what is multiplication. You all know very well what is meaning of multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition, right? When you add any number repeatedly, then whatever the product is got, that is called the repetitive addition or the multiplication, and the answer of the multiplication is called product. These things also we have seen. And the two numbers which are going to be multiplied, suppose 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So these 4 and 5 are called the factors, and the answer of multiplication is called the product. All these things we have seen in our previous class. Now today about the commutative property. What this commutative property said? Commutative property means when the two factors are there, when we multiply the two factors, then we get the answer. Suppose 5 and 4, 5 multiplied by 4, so the product is 20. If I change the sequence of this number, of this factor, suppose I put 4 forward and then the 5, then also the answer or the product is same. That is called the commutative property. Answer will not change if you change the sequence of the factor. That is the commutative property. Now see what it want to say. When we multiplied the factors in any order, right? If you change the order, अगर ये order आप change कर देते हो, पहले 4 लिखते हो और उसके बाद में 5 लिखते हो, then also आपको जो उसका product है वो क्या मिलेगा? Same मिलेगा. The product will be the same. So let's see what are the examples. Let's see example. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18, or 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to also 18. The second one, 12 multiplied by 2, that is 24, and 2 multiplied by 12 also 24. Next one, 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36, or 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. So this is the commutative property. Now let's move toward the second property. What it want to say? The second property is the associative property of multiplication. Associative means उससे ही पता चलता है कि association यानी एक हो जाना, mix हो जाना. So you can see three factors here, 3, 4 and 2. When these two will group together, right, 3 4s are 12, and the 2 is separate, then the answer is 24. Otherwise, when we separate these 3 and when these 2 will come together, then also the 24 number. इसका मतलब कि अगर हम लोग ग्रुप बनाते हैं तो ये ग्रुप में कौन है? 3 और 4 है और 2 अलग है, तो भी हमको आंसर 24 मिला. अगर हम 3 और 4 का ग्रुप ना बनाकर 4 और 2 का ग्रुप बनाते हैं और 3 को अलग रख देते हैं, तो भी हम लोगों को क्या आंसर मिलेगा? 24 आंसर ही मिलेगा. मीन्स द आंसर और द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज सेम. सो लेट्स सी. You can group the factors in different ways and the product will be the same, right? अगर आप उसको different way में group करते हो तो भी आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा? Same ही मिलेगा. So see here, 6 multiplied by 4, 3 factors are here, 6, 4 and 5. जब आप 6 और 4 को एक करते हो तो उसका product 24 मिलता है, and when you multiplied by 5, then the answer is 120. Same way the same 3 फैक्टर्स आर हियर, 6, 4 and 5. जब आप 4 और 5 को एक करते हो तो 20 मिलता है, और 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो भी आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 120. सो दिस इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Now here, distributive property of multiplication. What is written? The multiplication fact will be broken up into the sum of the others sum of two other multiplication facts. So let's see 23 multiplied by 2. So which is the two digit number? इन दोनों में से जो एक नंबर है उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ब्रेकआउट करेंगे. हाउ टू ब्रेक आउट? 20 प्लस 3. सपोज हियर 48 विल बी देयर, तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 40 प्लस 8 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. नाउ सी, यू कैन सी हियर चिल्ड्रन. So 23 multiplied by 3. So this 23 we will break. How we will break? 20 plus 3 and multiplied by 2. Suppose 49 is here. अगर 49 number होता तो how we will break it? 40 plus 9. Suppose 19 और 18 is there, तो कैसे break करोगे? 10 plus 8. Okay. So this is the way to break the number. Now what is meaning of this multiplied by 2? Multiplied by 2 means it is multiplied to the bracket, means it is multiplied by 2 this also, and it is multiplied by 2 20 and 3 also. So let's do 20 multiplied by 2. After that, which sign is here? Plus. So just put the sign of plus, then 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. So 20 twos are 40 plus 3 twos are 6. So what is the answer? That is 46 is the answer. Let's take another example. So 58 multiplied by 6. So first of all, this number we will break. How to break? So 50 plus 8. Make the bracket because they both are say 1 and multiplied by 6. Now what is meaning of multiplication with the 6? यानी ये इससे भी multiplied हो रहा है और ये इससे भी multiplied हो रहा है. So 50 multiplied by 6, this plus will come. Then whose turn? 8 multiplied by 6. So 56 are 6 zeros are 0 and 5 6 are 30 and 8 6 are 48. So when we add 348, so you will get the answer as a 348. Let's take one more example. 42 multiplied by 9. So what is meaning of this 9? Which one we will divide? This one we will break out. How to break out? 40 plus 2. So and multiplied by 9. So 40 plus 2 means 40 multiplied by 9 plus 2 multiplied by 9. So 0 nines are 0 and 4 nines are 36 plus 2 nines are 18 or 9 twos are also 18. So what is the answer after adding this? 8, 7 and 3 is the answer. So this is the which property? Distributive property of addition. What is written here? Break it into numbers that are easier to multiplied with the mental math. इस तरह से आपको ये नंबर को ब्रेक करना है कि आप उसको इजीली मेंटली आप क्या कर सकते हो? फटाफट उसको मल्टीप्लाइड कर सकते हो. So this is about the 3 properties of multiplication, children. I hope you understand, and we will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.